Hello and welcome to our series of screencasts showcasing Platformatica's capabilities in a simple, short, and meaningful way. From basic forms to advanced corporate software, everything can be created via Platformatica in hours instead of months. In this demo we will show a simple scenario that is common to many businesses selling products, and the same approach can be applied to service providers. We will create a new client record, a new product record and, in the end, a new sales order using the newly created client and product information. At the beginning we will access the software via a secure online form, and using our unique credentials we will authenticate. Once logged in, we arrive on the home page that is showing the business activity via dashboards, and from here we start our scenario. Using the menu we navigate to the client's list page. On the client's list page we click on the new record icon and proceed with the client creation by providing all the required information. Following our scenario we will navigate to the products page. In our demo we have a cosmetics selling business, and we will create a new product record by entering the product related information. Having the data recorded in the system we can proceed with the sales order creation. In the sales order creation form, we will use the company select feature that will import all the required data from the client record and pre-fill relevant fields. Some manual input will follow to populate some additional fields. As a next step, we will select and import the required items, and the system will automatically calculate all the totals. Now all the data is recorded in the system. You can see it via the list, the search, or via the dashboard on the homepage. As we want to keep the demos quick and simple, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this screencast. More advanced capabilities will be covered in our next videos.